today I'm going to talk about the Mood Ring Stainless Steel Endless Band. And the Mood Ring is basically a ring that changes colors depending on your mood. And each color symbolizes something different. More to do with body temperature, honestly. Others would argue that it has to do with room temperature. So overall, the way it is has to do with temperature. So I don't know if you can tell, but it's actually changing right now. It's kind of turquoisey, and then there's green is coming hopefully soon. When I put it on, you usually get to dark blue. I have always loved mood rings ever since I was a little girl. They are so cool. I think they're so fun. They're so interesting, and it's fun to look down at your hand and see what color it is now. And my boyfriend thoughtfully bought me this one for my birthday in May. It's nothing crazy like that, but he knew that I love mood rings, and so he wanted to get me one. He knows how much I love them. And I wear it almost every day. It goes with my many outfits because it changes. You can never really tell. As you can see, it's changing right now to kind of a yellowish green. Now it's back to blue because it feels my hand. So it's really fun. It's in great condition, very simple band style. They make many different styles of these rings, but this one's just so simple. It's kind of like a band, like a wedding band, I guess, but you know, cheesier because it's a mood ring. It's very lightweight. It's easy to travel with. You can also get it in different sizes if you need to, depending on your finger size. You can turn it into a necklace. You could string something like a chain or a cord through it and wrap it around your neck instead if you don't like to wear rings. And it comes with a gift box, so it's great when you're giving it as a gift. It already has one of those things to make it look beautiful and presentable to the one you're giving the gift to. Each color means something different. Black means tense, nervous, harassed, and overworked. Gray is ambitious, and gray actually is anxious, nervous, and strained. Amber is nervous, mixed emotions, unsettled, cool, and green is average reading. So like most people get green when they put it on. Active, not under stress usually. Blue-green is inner emotions, charged, somewhat relaxed. Blue is relaxed, at ease, calm, and lovable. Violet is very happy, love, passion, and romance. I have never been a huge ring person, but for a mood ring, I make an exception. And maybe an engagement ring someday, but that's another story. Mood jewelry comes in very different shapes and sizes. There's mood earrings, mood necklaces, there are different types. So you have different mood rings, like some of them just have a silver band and then like a kind of like a stone, but it's made of mood, whatever. They never really explained to me what the substance is that changes color, and honestly, I like the mystery of that. DTLA Fine Jewelry was where my boyfriend got it, and I find that the colors don't change too quickly. There isn't a huge range, so expect us to stay mostly in the blues and turquoise and greens, which is kind of the normal average one anyway. Although we'll see in the winter time if my temperature changes or the room temperature changes, we'll see what happens. So just expect it to kind of go with those types of colors. It's just a really nice gift idea. It's fun, and it's thoughtful, and it's beautiful. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you enjoyed it.